If you are selling anything online in 2026, you already know that video is no longer just an optional add-on. Whether it's courses, consulting, or physical products, video is the engine driving discovery. The question today isn't whether you need a video tool, but rather which one actually matches your modern workflow. For years, many of us relied on basic screen recorders and disjointed editing software, which just wasted hours every single week. Too many creators are still stuck in the cycle of recording long lessons, then wrestling through heavy software to cut clips. Exporting dozens of files and scheduling posts manually is not a sustainable way to grow your brand. The landscape has shifted, and tools that only handle recording or only handle hosting simply aren't enough anymore. You need a solution that treats the entire cycle from editing to distribution as one unified workflow. Let's take a quick look at the usual suspects to make sure we are all on the same page. Loom is the classic go-to for fast, personal recordings when you need to send a quick message to a teammate. It is perfect for bug reports, quick walkthroughs, or sending a personal touch in about 90 seconds. The speed is fantastic, and it is often free, which is exactly why so many people start their journey there. However, that speed comes with trade-offs, like limited editing tools and basic layout options. If you are building evergreen course content, Loom can start to feel a bit too restrictive for your needs. Then there are tools built around premium screen recording and a layout-first editing philosophy. These are great if your workflow is focused on polishing lessons and fixing mistakes without having to do full re-records. They solve many problems for solo founders who care deeply about how their videos look on screen. Yet, these tools still fall short when you have a long master video and want to turn it into dozens of micro clips. This is exactly where the gap appears, and that is where Vizard changes the equation entirely. Vizard is an AI-first workflow designed specifically for repurposing long-form content into viral-ready clips. It is not just about recording and exporting, but about a record once published forever mindset. The first major advantage is auto-editing for viral content, where the AI scans your video for high-energy moments. It finds the best engagement parts and generates ready-to-post clips that are optimized for platforms like TikTok or Reels. These aren't just random cuts, because the tool optimizes for hook-first, attention-grabbing snippets that actually work. Another huge time saver is the auto-schedule feature that handles your content calendar automatically. You simply set your posting frequency, and the tool manages the distribution so you never lose momentum. The content management system lets you review, shuffle, and tweak captions all in one central location. Everything you need is in one place, which means no more manual downloads or messy uploads to every social platform. Let's walk through a real workflow so you can see how this compares to the old, manual way of working. In the past, a 1-hour lesson meant watching the whole thing, noting timestamps, and scrubbing through an editor. You would have to cut 30 clips manually, export them, add captions, and schedule each one separately. Doing that right could easily turn into an 8 to 12-hour job for a single hour of content. With Vizard, you upload the raw video and let the AI identify the peaks in excitement and clear punchlines. It automatically generates a batch of clips with suggested titles and on-screen captions already synced. You can preview the batch, pick your favorites, and even change the crop for different social formats. Once you bulk approve your favorites, you just set your frequency and let the tool handle the scheduling. If you need to see everything in context, just open the calendar and drag a clip to a different date. There are also subtle features that make a massive difference in your daily production speed. Hook detection flags the first few seconds of your video to ensure viewers stay engaged right from the start. Platform-aware crops mean you get a vertical version for TikTok, a square for Instagram, and landscape for YouTube. You can even apply changes to a whole group of clips at once if you need to update a hashtag or call to action. Analytics integration lets you see which clips get the most reach, so the AI knows what to prioritize next time. Now, to be completely fair and practical, this tool doesn't replace every other editor in your stack. Loom is still fantastic for those quick async updates that need to be sent in under 2 minutes. And other tools remain brilliant for pixel-perfect screen-recorded lessons where you need complex layout control. But if your goal is to record long-form content and repurpose it across multiple channels, this is your primary tool. It removes the repetitive, boring part of content production so you can focus on the creative side. Some people worry that AI clips might feel too generic, but you can always tune them. Most creators find that after a few uses, the AI learns exactly which moments work for their voice. You also have access to templates and custom branding, so your clips always look consistent with your brand. If you already pay for other recording tools, just think of this as a different, powerful layer in your tech stack. You can keep your existing tools for recording and use this specifically for distribution and repurposing. Trading a few hours of manual editing for automated clips easily justifies the investment. Here is a quick pro tip. Try to record in one long session, but think in distinct, natural chunks. Pause naturally between your topics because that gives the AI clean segments to choose from for your clips. Also, try to keep a simple call to action in your head while you are recording your main content. Clips that naturally end with a one-line call to action usually perform much better on social platforms. Use the content calendar like a backlog, where you let the AI fill the week, then swap in your best performing clips. The bottom line is simple. Choose the right tool for the specific job you are trying to complete. If you are a creator selling anything online in 2026, you cannot afford to ignore the power of repurposing. I have been using this repurpose and schedule workflow for months, and the difference is massive. You get more clips, more consistent posting, and most importantly, more time to actually create. Most of these services offer a free trial, so upload one of your longer videos and see the magic for yourself. If you like the idea of publishing without the busy work, this is definitely worth a test run. If this helped, share it with another creator who you know is currently stuck in the export schedule grind. I will also drop a short checklist in the comments for recording 1-hour sessions so you can get started right. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.